Exercise 1.8. The electrostatic potential is given as a function of x in the figure A and B. Calculate the corresponding electric fields in regions A, B, C, D. Plot the electric field as a function of x for figure B. Now here in the figure A, you can see in the x-axis distance is taken, in the y-axis voltage is taken, okay, or potential is taken. Now you have to find out the corresponding electric field for the region A, B, C and D. Now for that you are going to use the formula E is equal to minus dV by dx. Now I am going to do for the first region. For the first region E is equal to, okay, minus dV. Minus dV means final potential minus initial potential. Here your final potential is 5. So it is 5 minus 8 divided by dx. This minus this, that is 0.2 minus 0. Difference in distance. So this is how much? Minus of minus 3. Minus of minus 3. So it is plus 3 divided by 0.2. So if you do this value, you will be getting 15. You will be getting it as what? 15. 30 by 10, 22, that is 15. That is 15 volt per meter. This is for region A. Now coming to region B. Now what is your change in potential? Change in potential is E is equal to minus, okay, your change in potential. Here change in potential is 0. Why it is 0? Here it is, the potential is constant. So it is 0. By change in distance is what? 0.4 minus 0.2. That is nothing but what? 0. 0 divided by anything is what? 0. Now coming for region C. In region C, what is the E value? What is your final potential? 7. Your initial is 5. Your initial is what? 5. Okay, so we can write it as E is equal to minus of final is what? 7. 7 minus 5 divided by 0.6 minus 0.4. 0.6 minus 0.4. So what will you get? Minus of 7 minus 5 is what? 2. So minus 2 divided by 0.2. So what will you get? 10 volt per meter. Minus 10 volt per meter. Then region 4. That is region D. E is equal to, here in region D your final is 1 and your initial is 7. So it is minus of 1 minus 7 divided by, here it is 0.8 minus 0.6. 0.8 minus what? 0.6. So what will you get here? Here you will be getting it as what? Minus of minus 6. That is plus 6 divided by 0.2. That is 30 volt per meter. Now for that we have, this is your, now in figure B, x-axis distance is taken, y-axis voltage is taken. Now in figure B we have to find out the electric field and we have to plot it in the graph. Okay. So for our convenience I am marking it as what the regions as A, B, C, D and E. Okay. Now I am going to find out the electric field for region A. So for region A, the electric field can be found out by E is equal to minus dV by dx. So this is final potential minus initial potential. That is minus of, final is 30. Initial is what? 1 divided by, here the distance is 1 minus 0. So that is how much? Minus 30 volt per meter. Now for region B, E is equal to, your final is 0, initial is 30. So it is 0 minus 30 divided by 2 minus 1. The distance is 2 minus 1. So it is plus 30 volt per meter. Now for region C, E is equal to, here the potential is no difference. Potential remains a constant. So it is 0. So anything divided by 0 is what? 0. So no need to find it out. Now for region D, here your final is 0, initial is minus 30. So it is equal to minus of minus 30 minus 0. Your initial is what? 0 and your final is minus 30. And your distance is 4 minus 3. So it is here, it is plus 30 volt per meter. Then for region E, what is? E is equal to, here it is, initial is minus 30, final is 0. So it is minus of 0 minus of minus 30 divided by 5 minus 4. Your distance is 5 minus 4. So here this will become plus, that is minus 30 volt per meter. Now we have to plot this in the graph. Okay, for the region A, that is from 1 to 2. Okay, the electric field is plus 30, minus 30 volt. It is what? Minus 30 volt. So you have to draw it in the graph here, minus 30 volt. For 2 to 1 to 2, 0 to 1 it is minus 30. 1 to 2 it is what? Plus 30. So I can draw the graph. I can join this. I can join this line. So here it is plus 30. Now again then it is from 2 to 3 it is 0. So I have to draw it here 0. Then from 3 to 4 it is plus 30. So again it is positive. Then it is from 4 to 5 it is minus 30. So you will be getting the graph like this. So this is how we are drawing the graph. Okay. So here in the graph, electric field versus distance is plotted. So we have found out and we have plotted in the graph.